job interview conversation. Today, we will watch a job interview conversation between Diana and Laila.
Good morning, my name is Diana and I am the owner of the company. Please have your seat.
Thank you, Miss. I am Laila Asana. It's nice to meet you.
How are you doing, Laila?
Yes, I'm fine.
Okay, Laila, today I will take your interview. So let's start.
Sure.
Welcome to Sugar Industry Company. We are looking for a chemical engineering in our company.
Oh, great.
Can I have your resume?
Sure, here you go.
Now tell me a little about yourself.
I am graduate of Polytechnic LPP Yogyakarta from Chemical Engineering and 4 months on the job training as maintenance and 4 months on the job training as supervisor of a sugar factory company. Now I live with my family in Riau. I have great leadership skills and enjoy work in a team.
Why should I hire you?
It seems to me that is relevant to the position I want to propose to us a chemical engineering. The science I learned could provide us with to do industrial factory performance analysis, sugar analysis in laboratories, and so on. Through this activity, I learned much about developing skills, teamwork, communication skills, planning and organizing. I feel that these things are important in order for me to be successful in carrying out my job.
Okay, Laila. So what is your strength?
I believe my strongest trait is my attention to detail. This trait has helped me tremendously in this field of work. I am good at keeping a team together and producing quality work in a team environment. I am an honest person who appreciates hard work and prioritizes my professional life over any other thing. I am also a flexible and optimistic person with positive attitude towards my career and life.
Okay, next, what is your weakness?
I've never been very comfortable with public speaking, which is, can be hindrance in the workplace. Realizing this was a problem, I asked my previous employer if I could enroll in a speech workshop. I followed the SRG's training, self-motivation, character building to rebuild my knowledge about public speaking.
So where do you see yourself in 3 or 5, 6 from now?
In 5 years, I see myself as a valued employee of a company. I want to be an expert at my position and start training to be a manager. Also, my goal is to become a lead in 5 years. Although not everyone gets promoted to this level, I believe I can achieve this goal through hard work.
What are you currently doing?
My work is important to me, so instead of rushing to accept the first thing that comes my way, I am taking my time and being selective to make sure my next role is the right one. I am taking some continuing education class and seminars.
Tell me about the difficult situation you have faced.
I have faced a number of difficult situations, but the one that comes to mind now is improve oneself. I was able to deal with it by assessing the situations, determining the possible different approaches, and deciding on the most effective one. I had to remain unemotional and objective and focus on solutions. I am a perfectionist and I may be too hard on myself or my co-workers sometimes.
Why do you want to work with our company?
It's a great privilege for anyone to work in a reputed company like yours. While doing my research about it, I realized that my skill match your requirements and that this the best place where I can showcase my professional skills.
So, what are your salary requirements?
I am a fresher. Salary is not first priority for me. This is a big platform to start my career, and I also want to improve my knowledge and skills and gain experience. I expect a considerable of salary according to my ability and your company's norm, which will fulfill my economical needs.
Interview done. So, do you have any question?
Thank you giving me this opportunity. No, I think I have a pretty good understanding of the job. I believe that I can handle it with ease, and I hope to have the opportunity to work for you.
Hope so. Nice to meet you, Layla. Thanks for coming.
Nice meeting you too, and thank you so much. End of the interview. Important tips: introduce yourself first. Speak clearly, be polite, be confident, be optimistic, and do not forget to wear nice and clean dress.